Tutorial Center, and I'm going to be going over how to format MLA in just like a general format. So we're going to go over here to New, and we're going to go down to Google Docs, and then Create and Share. The first step I like to do is to title your document. So for this video, I'm going to title it MLA video. The next step is to change your font type and the size of your font. So if we go over here to Arial, and then you're going to drop down to Times New Roman, and we're going to do the same thing with the font size. So this number 11, which usually pops up, we're going to change that to 12. Then we're going to come over here to this icon and change the line spacing to double. The next step is we're going to go to Insert, Page Number. We're going to click this first square on the left, and you're going to put your last name before the number. And you want to make sure this is in Times New Roman, which it is. Sometimes it's not, so double check that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create your header. So you're going to write your name, and then you're going to write your professor's name, and then your class, and then the date. And the date is actually going to be the day that the assignment is due and not the day that you started it. The next step is to make your title. So you're going to come up here to this icon and center your title. And you're going to title it and then you're going to come back over here and make sure everything's lined up on the left, hitting the tab button, which is on the left hand side of your keyboard, and then you can start writing. And that's all we have for you today. If you need more information regarding MLA formatting, please see our other videos.